Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Boo, 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 boo. Yo, what's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So we're gonna react to SB19 and G22. They're performing Limitless at ACER Day 2024. So one question, if you're new here, I do normally ask this question to all of my new viewers. Do anyone here who's watching this video is familiar with Bob Marley? If you guys don't know who Bob Marley is, well, this guy here, do anyone here who is familiar with him? And please let me know how you became a fan of Bob Marley and why do you love his music so much, and what does the music do to influence you to become a fan, and how the music carries you through your everyday life. So guys, without further ado, let's take a walk into this beautiful arena of ACER Day. Well, beautiful stage, lovely green light. The crowd seems intensely big. All right. This is gonna be lit. Trust me, it's gonna be lit.
Limitless. We made our own destiny. Take flight so we out of sight, then way.
That walk is sexy, bro. That dress is sexy as well. Well.
Release all this energy, this energy. Tell me what's impossible. That will make it all possible. Representation like this is fresh, no missions, inevitable. Breaking new ground with a new sound. Yeah, it works out, but is that all? Just a machine? What if I fuse now? Leave confused how?
Yo, look. I'm a big fan of music, right? And if the music is enjoyable, have a lot of fun momentum, then I'm a big fan, right? But to see this energetic dancing, to see these beautiful females and everyone here is cooperating to give that energetic moment, I'm loving it. I am loving it. Yo, let's continue. Yo, the costumes here, they are dope, my G. And I could feel the moment that they are having. I could feel that the crowd is enjoying themselves while watching these people perform, bro. And I gotta say, compliments. Compliments.
We made our own destiny. Take flight till we out of sight, then way. Release all this energy.
Powerful voice. Powerful voice. And I do accept the fact that she's doing it so easy, right? A lot of people, when they go on stage, because sometimes the songs that they are singing contains a lot of auto-tune, when it's time for them to perform, they are like all over the place. The voice is not connecting with the crowd, or it's not connecting with the musical instrumental beats. But to see her like this in a very calm and precise way, I can tell that she's a master at this, bro. Oh, yo, I'm gonna lift. Boom, Yeah, my G.
No limit to what I can do. Coming through, calibrate every road in a minute. I'm impeded. Circuits in loud with my soul. Soar past the limits of more, 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 more. I am limitless. I am limitless. I don't even stress. Got this strong heart. They send us our peace and my.
Yo, this is mind blowing. Yo, they are killing it. Yo, marvelous, just marvelous. They are making it so good. I wish I was there, but I'm not. But what I'm getting to experience now, it's like I'm literally there, and I could feel the moment. I could feel the presence of these people performing. Compliments again. Blah, blah. Yo, I gotta say, bro, beautiful combination, bro. Beautiful combination for the SB19. They are already incredible. And for the G22, bro, the combination, the collaboration, it's freaking great. I love it. I love it so much. And I love to see unity. I do like to see people unite, bringing forth music so they could combine as one to make music more flourishing. This look promising, bro. Trust me. Yo, this is what I love to see and hear. The cooperation, bro, is 100%. No cap. Yo, the singing here is awesome. Everyone combining, singing along. It's lone purification, bro. It is so good.
Break the chain of royalty. Hey. No limit to what I can
do. The dance is very energetic, bro. Yo. I didn't know that they could already dance, but to see this with so much people on stage and everyone is combining, everyone is like synchronizing with the dance, it is smooth as fuck, bro. Damn. Yo, the dance is so smooth with so much people on that one stage, bro. Damn. For the people who's watching, such as the crowd, me as a fan, I do appreciate this so much. I am enjoying it. And once they are doing this with such enjoyment, they are winning with no apology.
I am no lesser being. I know me from the core. But out to so much more.
She can sing lovely. Her voice is unique. Her personality is unique. And this is why they are reaching so far, because they are standing out from the rest. They are not doing like everyone else. And this is why people do always win. Because you are doing something that no one else does. and you are the only one who is doing it. No one else can, right? So you are winning, and that's the reason why they gain so many fans, because they are doing it differently from others. Splendid.
So open up the door. There's no containing this wisdom of revelation.
I love it, bro. I love it. I do love the green color. It makes it look so dope. I do love this so much. I'm so happy that I found this out, and I do know the SB19 already, and I do know G22 as well. And to see these two in a combination mode on stage, bars, bro, bars.
Surpass around dimensions.
Stunning, absolutely stunning. Boo, 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 boo. They did well, bro. They did well. Absolutely well. I'm proud. And you guys love this reaction, please leave a like, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor, and stay tuned for more reactions. I'll see you there.